Today's July 30th, 2010, and Liam likes to put the ball in his mouth and run around and chase Max like Max does with his ball. It's pretty funny. Where's Max? Get him. Give Max with the ball. Oopsie. Didn't lose that ball. That's good. Liam, you're so funny. You're so funny. Come here, buddy. Come here. Oops, you dropped the ball. Is that what Max does? Is that what Max does? Oh, here you go. Oh, okay. Yep, that's your toy, you're right. Yes, that's your toy. Keep it in there. Oh, Liam, you're so funny. Yeah. I see it. I see it. You got the ball. Oops, come here. Yeah, come to mommy. Mister.